Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I'll share you 5 best tips for growing marigold. Marigold may be different types, maybe Desi or Inca, Maya or Agagro or Kangsavati or these kinds of Jaffrey. This is French marigold. This comes in 10 to 12 color options. You can get these kinds of plant and they are very ramified. Lots of flowers. You can see I have grown it 10 days back only. I have transplanted from this size to this size. This is attained in only in 10 days. So I'll share you how to get lots of branches here. I have not pinched off. Still that you are getting 5 to 6 branches are here. And again in each branch I will get 5 to 6 branches so that you can imagine how many flowers you can get there. These are the two plants that I have uploaded around 20 days back. I have uploaded the video how to transplant the plant in 20 days time. You can see 5 to 6 flowers in each and at least 8 to 9 buds are here. So I'll tell you some of the tips. First tip is you have to make the soil mixture, proper soil mixture. In that soil mixture you have to take 50% garden soil, 50% vermicompost or cow dung compost. One fistful of this hornmeal would be very good for your plants. And if you want, you can add 1 teaspoonful of trichoderma fungicide. That is enough for your plant. Just mix it properly and you can grow this plant. And I tell you the marigolds are very voracious eaters. So that's why I have added 50% garden soil and 50% compost. And you can see in a 20 days time, you see the beautiful flower are here. And here I tell you, whenever you plant a plant around 1 feet tall, you have to put some stakes here so that they can take the weight of this top portions of the plant, and top portion in this they will grow more. 10 to 12 flowers are yet to come, and that top portion will be very heavy, and as a result of the weight the plant's stem may break down. So this is the system. You have to erect some stakes here and you have to make proper soil mixture, and you can get hundreds and hundreds of flowers in this marigold, and this is the easiest method. Now we move on to the second tip that is more important for any of this flower plant. What fertilizer you have to apply? The liquid fertilizer is the best for marigold. Now I'll tell you, this is the liquid fertilizer I have made from mustard cake fertilizer. This is the mustard cake I have soaked 4 to 5 days back, and here you after 4 to 5 days what you have to add, I'll tell you. Just take if around 5 liter of water. If you are making 10 liter of liquid fertilizer, add 1 teaspoonful of DAP. DAP contains 18-46-0, that is 18% nitrogen, 46% phosphorus. So the nitrogen and phosphorus very fond of marigolds are very fond of nitrogen fertilizer. In that I am adding 1 mug of this liquid fertilizer, and you have to make it very thin, very liquid. And after that you can add 100 ml in each pot. But before applying this 100 ml, you have to dry it out for 1 day ago, this pot, and in that dried soil you have to apply 100 ml. And today I won't apply any of the water. Tomorrow, after seeing the soil condition, then will it progress, and you have to repeat it every 10 days. And if you apply 3 times only, you will see in 1 month time you get immense big size of plant and immense number of buds and beautiful flowers, big size flowers. Number 3 tip is more important. Many of the viewers and subscribers ask me that they cannot make the liquid mustard cake fertilizer. So what we should apply? So in that case, you take 2 fistful of compost, and in that add 1 teaspoonful of super phosphate and 1 teaspoonful of NPK 10-26-26. That is very important. And if you don't get 10-26-26, in that case you can add 20-20-20. And this is the 10-26-26 NPK Sopla. That is very cheap. Every agriculture shop or nursery people sell this easy thing. And if you don't get 10-26-26, in that case you can add 20-20-20, 1 teaspoonful. And one best thing I'll tell you, you have to add 1 teaspoonful of stearamyl. Stearamyl is the best contents of nitrogen, phosphorus and beautiful micronutrients. Stearamyl, if you don't get stearamyl, then you can add some leather meal also. This is also very nice, and these are nowadays available in nursery shop, stearamyl or bone meal. And if you don't get this one, you can avoid this one also. So in these 4 things I have mixed it, and now add around 2 teaspoonful in each pot. in one side of the pot. You make a pile here in one side. You don't have to sprinkle in all sides of the pot. Just put a pile on one sides of the pot, one corner of the pot, and then water it. And you have to do it every 15 days. You add this fertilizer. You don't have to add any kind of other fertilizer, and you can see immense flowering here. Now number 4 tip is very, very important. Many of the viewers and subscribers tell me that their leaves are turning yellow, their leaves are not lush green. You see, this is the leaves I plant, lush green leaves. If you see the lush green leaves, then you can imagine that there will be more top photosynthesis. And for good quality of photosynthesis and chlorophyll, you have to add magnesium sulfate, that is called Epsom salt. In every chemist shop you can get this, or if you want, it is better if you add Epsom salt 2 gram and 2 gram of NPK 20-20-20. These 4 grams if you dissolve in 1 liter of water and spray it in every week in your plant, you will see all your chlorophyll chlorosis problem will be solved, and the plants will get from the leaf side all NPK 20-20-20 also, and the plants will be lush green and immense number of buds and immense number of flower, and each flower will be a big size flower. So this is the 4th item, very, very important. But the most important thing is many days you see the leaves are turning crumpled, some of these curling leaves. So the thrips attack or mite attack is very, very common in some marigold. And if the plants is damp area or the lights is not growing, the small plants, you will see the all leaves are curling up and all leaves are totally damaged. So in that case, you can apply NICE. This is the organic insecticide. Apply NICE Advance 1 ml per liter, or else you can apply Theta once in a week or once in a 10 days. If you spray this one, so you will see the all these thrips, mites problem, that is a leaf curling problem will solve. If it is severely leaf curling, then you can cut off the curl area, and you can see the new leaves will come out and beautiful leaves will see. So this is all for all the 5 tips. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up.